You didn't start a professional services business to spend your weekends catching up on timesheets or chasing late payments. So in this video, we're going to look at how Xero can give you back some of your precious time and energy so you can deliver more value to your clients. First, I'll show you how to get off to a great start by saving hundreds of dollars when you sign up to Xero, and then we'll cover some of the things Xero can help you with, including tracking billable hours and profit accurately, getting paid faster, easily paying your staff, and doing your best in just a few minutes each quarter. And as a bonus, at the end of this video, I'll show you where to go to learn how to use Xero for free right here on this channel. So make sure you stick around for that. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up to Xero if you haven't already done so. To help you get off to a great start, Xero is sponsoring this video and offering a huge 90% discount off your first 6 months. To get the discount, simply click on the link in the description below and sign up to Xero on the next page. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so if you want to save some money, check out that link. Now that you've got Xero, let's see how it can help you better manage your services business, starting with the all-important client onboarding process. If you're still onboarding new clients manually, you know the pain of endless email threads and the constant back and forth while trying to get hold of missing documents. To fix this, you can get a Xero add-on called Content Snare to automate the collection of client files and onboarding questionnaires. Instead of messy email folders, everything is gathered on a branded dashboard that reminds the client for you. For your engagement letters, tools like Ignition can convert your signed proposals into Xero invoices and client records instantly, so your billing is set up before the work even begins. If you're looking to use any of the Xero add-ons mentioned in this video, make sure you click on the links in the description below to access any deals on offer so you can save yourself some money. With your clients properly onboarded and your systems synced, you're ready to get to work. But if you aren't tracking your time accurately, you're almost certainly leaving money on the table. That's where Xero Projects comes in, which is Xero's own built-in job tracker. With Xero Projects, you can log time, monitor budgets, and view live profit margins all in one place, and it compares your quotes against actual time so you can spot cost blowouts before they eat into your bottom line. So if you want to handle all that inside Xero, all you need to do is add Xero Projects to your subscription. But if you need something more sophisticated, you might want to check out the popular time tracking app Jibble, which plugs into Xero. Jibble has a generous free plan which you can access by clicking on the link we provided in the description below. Once your time is tracked, the next goal is to get paid as fast as possible. If you use Xero Projects, you can create deposit invoices, time and expense invoices, and milestone invoices directly from each job. If you use a third-party app like Jibble, you can sync it to Xero to generate those invoices seamlessly. Once an invoice is ready to go, you can send it to your client by email or SMS directly from Xero, saving you the hassle of downloading a PDF and emailing it as an attachment. Even better, with Xero, you can connect a service like Stripe or Pinch Payments to add a Pay Now button to your invoices. Your clients can click the button and pay you instantly via debit or credit card. If you go with Pinch Payments, you can also pre-approve customers, which gives you authority to take payments automatically. You can also set up direct debits, recurring payments, and payment plans, which all help to make sure you get paid quickly. We highly recommend checking out Pinch Payments, so be sure to click on their link in the description below. If your clients don't pay you on time, have no fear, you don't have to spend your evenings playing debt collector. Just set up Xero's automatic invoice reminders to follow up on day 7, 14, or whenever you choose, letting the software handle the time-consuming follow-ups while you stay focused on your actual work. So as you can see, Xero helps you stay on top of everything you need to keep the money flowing in, but what about money flowing out? Think about how often you grab a coffee with a client or pick up supplies, then throw the paper receipt in your bag or wallet and forget about it. Those lost receipts aren't just paper. They can add up to thousands of dollars in missed tax deductions and GST credits. Xero solves this with HubDoc, which is included for free in your Xero subscription. The second you get a receipt, just open the app and snap a photo. The software instantly reads the supplier, the GST, and the total and pushes it straight into Xero. No more relying on faded paper receipts. But if your business needs a more sophisticated high-volume solution for expense management, check out Dext. It's an advanced alternative to HubDoc that offers deeper data extraction and smarter automation for complex workflows. Dext is very popular among Xero users, so if you want to check it out and get a 15% discount on your subscription, make sure you click on the link in the description below. Now, let's take a look at where everything comes together, the bank reconciliation screen. After you hook up your business bank account to Xero, the transactions will automatically flow from your bank and into Xero's bank reconciliation screen. Xero then automatically matches your bank transactions to your invoices, bills, and the receipts you captured through HubDoc or Dext, so you're essentially just clicking OK to confirm. For your regular recurring income and expense transactions, you can set up bank rules to categorize them automatically. You can set up as many bank rules as you like, and they essentially transform what used to be a messy, time-consuming chore into a simple task that leaves you with an accurate, real-time picture of your cash flow. When it comes time to pay yourself and your staff, Xero has you covered with its built-in payroll tools. Xero is set up to handle single-touch payroll requirements with ease, allowing you to report wages, taxes, and super directly to the ATO every single payday. Also, your team can use the Xero Me app on their phones to log hours, submit timesheets, and request leave, saving you heaps of manual data entry. And finally, if you need advanced team rostering, you can easily plug in apps like Deputy or Tanda to sync your data straight into Xero. One of the best things about Xero is that if you keep your bank reconciliations and payroll up to date, lodging your BAS can be a quick, painless task rather than a quarterly time-consuming headache. That's because Xero automatically tracks and calculates your GST and pay-as-you-go withholding tax as long as you keep your accounts up to date. And because it connects directly to the ATO, you can check your numbers and lodge your activity statement in just a few clicks. It really can be that quick and easy to lodge your BAS through Xero. Xero is more than just bookkeeping software and can act as the ultimate central hub for professional services businesses that sell their time. By leveraging Xero projects and a few add-on apps, you can use Xero to track profitability, control your cash flow, and keep your business compliant with the ATO. If you're ready to get your finances sorted, start by grabbing that 90% Xero discount by clicking on the link in the description below. And I've also provided links to the add-on apps mentioned in this video to give you easy access to the best deals they offer right now. And when you're ready to learn how to set up and use Xero step by step without spending any money on a course, head over to our channel's homepage and look for our free Xero Beginners, Xero Payroll, and Xero Projects playlists. That's it for this video, and I hope it helps you decide whether Xero is right for your professional services business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.